You're feeling tired, your workouts suck, and no matter how much you eat, you're still not building muscle. Sound familiar? Most people think the problem is not enough protein or the wrong workout plan. But the real issue, your diet is actually working against you. Fix these 5 nutrition mistakes and you'll have more energy, better recovery, and faster muscle growth without adding more supplements or crazy meal plans. Let's go. You might actually be eating enough protein, but if you're dumping it all into 1 or 2 meals a day, you're missing out on muscle growth and energy. Your body can only use so much protein at a time for muscle repair. So if you're slamming 80 grams at dinner, but skipping it at breakfast, you're literally wasting your gains. Here's how to fix it. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal, spaced about 3 to 4 hours apart. This keeps your body in an anabolic state all day long. Some easy swaps: if you're skipping protein at breakfast, add Greek yogurt, eggs, or a protein shake. If you struggle to hit your numbers, just try to make sure every meal has a solid protein source. Oh, and if you want to supercharge recovery, a slow digesting protein like cottage cheese or Greek yogurt before bed keeps your muscles fed overnight, so you wake up feeling stronger instead of broken down. Small change, massive impact, but that's just the start. Now let's fix the next thing wrecking your energy and muscle growth: carb timing. Carbs aren't the enemy, but if you're eating them at the wrong time, you're either running on empty at the gym or feeling like a zombie the rest of the day. Most people either underfuel before workouts or eat a massive carb-heavy meal that just leaves them tired and bloated. So let's fix that. Before you train, you want fast digesting carbs to give you energy without weighing you down. Avoid heavy, slow digesting foods like pasta or fried foods. After your workout, carbs are your best friend, but only if you pair them with protein. This helps replenish glycogen and jumpstarts muscle repair. A simple post-workout meal, lean protein plus quality carbs like rice, sweet potatoes, or oats. That's how you fuel muscle growth and recover faster. Ever feel exhausted a few hours after eating? It's probably because you're loading up on fast digesting carbs without protein or fiber. Instead, stick to slow digesting carbs throughout the day. Quinoa, oats, whole grains to keep your energy stable and consistent. Fix your carb timing and you'll train harder, recover faster, and stop crashing midday. But carbs aren't the only thing draining your energy. Most people are secretly dehydrated. So let's fix that next. Lots of people feel drained or struggle to get through their workouts and they think they're just tired, but really they're dehydrated. Even being 2% dehydrated can make you feel weak, slow muscle recovery, and kill performance. And it's not just about drinking more water. It's also about electrolytes. Water alone isn't enough if you're sweating, training hard, or drinking coffee all day. You need sodium, potassium, and magnesium to actually absorb it. Here's the fix. If you sweat a lot or feel sluggish, try adding electrolytes to your water. Or just salt your meals if you eat clean. First thing in the morning, drink 16 to 20 ounces of water with a pinch of salt or an electrolyte mix. This instantly rehydrates your body after sleep and boosts energy without caffeine. Hydration isn't just about drinking water. It's about keeping the right balance. Fix this and you'll feel stronger, sharper, and more energized all day. But even if you're drinking enough water, your body might still not be using it properly. And that brings us to the next big mistake: your gut health. So let's fix it. You can eat all the right foods, but if your gut isn't working properly, you're not absorbing the nutrients you need. If you're dealing with bloating, brain fog, or feeling sluggish after meals, your gut is probably holding you back. Your gut bacteria control how well you digest food and absorb nutrients. Adding fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, or Greek yogurt gives your gut the good bacteria it needs. Fiber is great, but eating too much at once can leave you bloated and sluggish. Instead of cramming all of your veggies into one meal, spread them out throughout the day. Struggle with digestion after eating? Try taking digestive enzymes or a shot of apple cider vinegar before meals. These help break down food so your body actually uses the nutrients. Fix your gut and you'll absorb more nutrients, feel less bloated, and actually get the muscle building benefits of your diet. But even if your gut is working perfectly, there's one more hidden mistake that's destroying your recovery, and that's your caffeine, alcohol, and sleep habits. Let's fix that next. You're training hard, eating right, but still feel weak, tired, and stuck in recovery mode. The problem might not be your workouts. It's your caffeine, alcohol, and sleep habits sabotaging your gains. Caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours, meaning if you drink coffee at 4 p.m., half of it is still in your system at 10 p.m. That wrecks your deep sleep even if you don't feel it. A lot of people think alcohol makes them sleep better because it helps them pass out. But the truth is, alcohol completely disrupts your deep sleep. Fix these recovery killers and you'll wake up stronger, feel better in the gym, and actually see the muscle and energy gains from your hard work. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 fixes do you need to work on the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want to keep building strength and energy for the long haul, check out this video on functional fitness where I break down how to train for strength that lasts a lifetime. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you in the next video.